The Technologist.
Everything technology, bricks and blocks, and more.
Lego. Speed. Build.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to be notified each time we release a new video. Lego Star Wars 75259 Snowspeeder 20th Anniversary Edition. This special edition set is an updated version of the original 7130 Snowspeeder model released in 1999, and features an opening cockpit for Luke Skywalker and deck Walter minifigures, laser cannons, a spring-loaded shooter under each wing, plus a stud shooter and harpoon at the rear. This commemorative set also includes a bonus Lando Calrissian minifigure from 2003 on a 20th anniversary display stand. This set is a reinterpretation of the 7130 Snowspeeder set from 1999, and also includes an elevating and rotating gun tower with stud shooter. The Snowspeeder model measures over 5 cm high, 18 cm long and 14 cm wide, while the gun tower measures over 8 cm high, 6 cm wide and 6 cm deep.
Or die. The dark side. I must obey my master.
I will not turn, and you'll be forced to kill me.
If that is your destiny, join us or die. side. I must obey my master.
I will not turn, and you'll be forced to kill me.
If that is your destiny, join us or die.
Build time, 1 hour 10 minutes.
Feeling alright, sir?
Just like new, Dak. How about you?
Right now I feel like I can take on the whole Empire myself.
I know what you mean.
Luke, I have no approach vector. I'm not set.
Steady, Dak. Attack pattern Delta.
Go now.
All right, stand by, Dak.
Oh, Luke, we've got a malfunction in fire control. I'll have to cut in the auxiliary.
Just hang on. Hang on, Dak. Get ready to fire that tow cable.
Welcome, I'm Lando Calrissian. I'm the administrator of this facility. And who might you be?
Light my bricks. Custom lights installation. We use the following parts to light up our LEGO Star Wars 75259 Snowspeeder. 1 gun effects board. 1 flicker effects board. 3 red bit lights. 2 orange bit lights. 1 6-port expansion board. 2 5cm cables. 1 50cm cable. And a small number of additional LEGO parts.
Join us or die. The dark side. I must obey my master.
I will not turn, and you'll be forced to kill me.
If that is your destiny, join us or die.
forced to kill me.
If that is your destiny, join us or die.
Installation time, 50 minutes.
All right, boys, keep tight now. All right, I'm coming in. Bobby, you still with me? That armor's too strong for blasters. Row group, use your harpoons and tow cables. Go for the legs. It might be our only chance of stopping them.
LEGO is a trademark of the LEGO Group of companies which does not sponsor, authorize or endorse this presentation. Star Wars, Battle of Hoth, Snowspeeder, Luke Skywalker, Degralter, Lando Calrissian, Rebel Trooper and Lightsaber are trademarks of Lucasfilm Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of the Walt Disney Company. The Technologist is in no way affiliated with Light My Bricks. Please contact us with any inquiries relating to the content contained in this presentation. You can find us on the web, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Thanks for watching.